What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to make this video a while ago when I seen the news, but I wanted to take some time to really take it all in, and I had some other types of videos to make, so I wanted to do that first, and now I'm going to get into this video. So if you clicked on the video, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and it's the gold card and the airline fee credit. So I wanted to talk about that a little bit. Before I get started, please hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure you get your free stocks down below with Webull. Now, if you know about the gold card, then you know all of the different benefits. But if you don't know about the gold card, let me quickly break down the benefits. So this card has a $250 annual fee. It gives you 4 times back at supermarkets, US supermarkets, and 4 times back at restaurants. It also gives you 3 times on travel booked through Amex Travel, 1 times on everything else, and then it gives you 2 credits. So it gives you a $120 dining credit, which can be dispersed in $10 increments, and then also a $100 airline credit to where you use it at certain airlines. You select your airlines, and then you can go ahead and use it that way. Which it's been changed to how it was used in the past, and now it's used a lot differently. But those are the main benefits for the card. So I wanted to talk about the airline fee credit that's going to be taken off of the benefits list for the gold card, which I would imagine will be replaced with something more related to the card. Because if you think about it, I didn't ever consider this a travel card besides the travel-based perks. Now, you look at everything that it has on the list. It has supermarkets, it has dining. Yes, it does have 3 times on travel. Let's go against that. It has 1 times on everything else. And then it also has a $120 dining credit. Now, when I look at this card, I think of it as a food card, something that you're going to use for different type of food purchases, and you get massive rewards for those food purchases. Not anything more than that. You can look at it as a food and travel card, but I don't want to look at it as a food and travel card. Amex, I look at different cards in different sections or different sectors. With the Platinum card, that's really the main travel card that you will see from Amex, besides all of their, co-branded cards, things that they have there. But when it comes to the gold card, that shouldn't be something that is a travel card. It's a food-based card. Now you get down to the green card, and that is more travel-based as well, which it does have some sort of food aspect to it as well, which falls in line a little bit with travel if you're going to be eating at restaurants. So we'll get into that if we ever cover the green card again. But the gold card is something that I look at as a food card, just like I said. So I seen this information on Doctor of Credit. I just wanted to read this to you. As we are always looking to evolve our card benefits and services to best support our card members' needs, the airline fee credit on the American Express Gold Card will no longer be available at the end of 2021. Current Gold Card members will be able to continue to use the airline fee credit through December 31st, 2021. We will continue to evolve and enhance our card member benefits, don't know why that's capitalized, and services to provide relevant and rich value to our card members in the areas they care about most. So stay tuned. Now, when you read this, you think about the fact that the gold card is more towards food. So any benefit that they do add, hopefully it is another $100 credit. It would be more towards food, like say a supermarket credit. You get a $100 supermarket credit, that would be amazing. And then you can spend whatever, you can get 4 times back on your supermarket purchases, because you already have a dining credit, which I think should change as well so that you can use it a little bit better. But you already have that dining credit. I would say that you can get a supermarket credit to where each month, maybe you get 10 months, you get $10 off on your purchases, or you get the whole $100 off on your purchases. And then we can get to a point to where the credits equal the annual fee. And I know that it's something that is far-fetched. It's something that's not going to be in place, I don't believe, but it's a possibility. So that's what I think of the Amex Gold Card is. It's always a food-based card. It always has been a food-based card. I use it for a normal spending category of supermarkets, and that's really it. And yes, I do use it on, like if I go to Popeyes or I go to, Arby's or Chick-fil-A or whatever I go to, I get 4 times there. And then if I also go to Walmart, if I need something from Walmart, whether it is grocery related or has some sort of, I don't know, it's toiletries or whatever, you can still order it with the grocery app and then get 4 times back because it's through the grocery app. Hopefully Amex doesn't see this and start to code that differently, because I have been getting away with that. So sorry. So if you shop at Walmart, the card also could be for you if you use the grocery app. But the Amex card is going to be changing this benefit, and I don't really know what they're going to be changing it to, but all thoughts, I've seen other videos, all thoughts are really towards a food-based credit or a food-based perk, and I believe the same. I think that they are going to put something in place that falls in line with the rest of the card. If the rest of the card is food-based besides that travel portion, then I'm going to go with that. But I think they should also take out the 3 times on travel, booked through Amex Travel, because I don't think that's something that a lot of people get value from. I think they should replace that as well. I don't know with what, but most people are not using it from what I understand. But that's my video, guys. I really wanted to take some time and just talk about the American Express Gold Card a little bit. I know I talk about the Gold Card a lot as one of my favorite cards, not really for 2020 because of the fact that they do have an annual fee, and I express this in a different video. But when it comes to 2022, that's a long time from now. And this pandemic may be over. People may be back to work. People might be doing things that they wouldn't normally do. But either way, this card would be in the right place because of the fact that you have a food-based credit, another food-based credit. You also have 2 food-based rewards categories. And that's what I'm hoping for in this card. So let me know what you think about the Amex Gold Card. Do you think that they're going to move more to a food-based credit, or do you think they're going to lessen the value of the credit, or are they going to put like a lounge buddy credit, kind of similar to the green card? Let me know what you think about this card and what they plan to do with this, because it's really interesting. And I always like to see revamps of cards and, changes of different cards. I know Chase made some changes, and I really like to see different changes, and hopefully they're good changes, not bad changes that make it a bad card. Because if you don't know, this card got a lot of hype over the last 2 years. It's been getting a ton of hype because of the revamp. So hopefully they add something of value. But that's my video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Also, hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Also, notification bell. If you already are subscribed and you're not notified, please hit that notification bell. And sometimes they may go out late. I'm sorry if they do. I can't control that. But hit the notification bell. You'll get it sometime in the day, hopefully. And then you can watch the video. Also, take some time to go down below in the description and get your free stocks with Webull. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'm going to get out of here. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.